want is and round, yeah, yeah, and round, yeah, yeah. Found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone. No, 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 yeah, yeah. Found you, did that spotlight, flowers. That all I want is yeah, yeah. Yeah, found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone. No, 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 yeah, yeah, found you, did that spotlight, flowers. That all I want is yeah, 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 found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone. No, 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 yeah, yeah, found you, did that spotlight, flowers. That all I want is yeah, 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 found you, did it all alone, looking down your phone. No, 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 yeah, found you, did that spotlight, flowers. That all I want is.
So I got a new bike. I love this thing. Yo, I'm out here enjoying the new whip. I love this bike. Just making this little video to tell you I got a new bike and all is good now. Also, I wanted to thank the person who got me this bike once again. They said they wanted to remain anonymous, which is all right, that's cool. But thank you again. I appreciate this. This is just awesome. This bike is great and I am super grateful. Wow, yeah, this bike is sick, and thank you again. This gift has definitely made my trip way more enjoyable now, because apparently I can be homeless, but I cannot be bikeless. So, yes, I needed that thing. I need a bike. I need a bike on this trip. I feel like if I did not have a bike on this trip, no, I know if I did not have a bike on this trip, I would be in pieces. I don't think I could make it, for sure, definitely could not. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna go do some more wheelies. Yeah, they're just too fun. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.